Welcome back to our channel. Today, we delve into a riveting story involving Alice Guo, a former mayor of Bamban, Tarlac, who has recently made headlines due to her arrest in Indonesia. Alice Guo was born on July 12, 1986. Her rise to political power as the mayor of Bamban was shrouded in controversy right from the beginning. Allegations regarding her true identity and citizenship emerged during Senate hearings, raising questions about her connections to a foreign gaming operation. In May 2024, Guo faced scrutiny due to her alleged ties to illegal activities, including a Philippine offshore gaming operator accused of human trafficking and scams. The Philippine Senate launched investigations into her citizenship and associations with crime syndicates, setting the stage for a shocking saga. After being linked to criminal activities, Alice Guo and her family reportedly spent around $3.5 million to evade authorities and leave the country. They traveled through multiple countries in Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Singapore, and eventually Indonesia. On September 3, 2024, Alice Guo was arrested in Tangerang City, Jakarta, Indonesia, following an investigation by both Philippine and Indonesian authorities. Her capture marks a significant development in a case that has raised numerous questions about political integrity in the Philippines. Guo is facing serious allegations, including money laundering, with accusations of laundering 7 billion Philippine pesos through various transactions, charges relating to her alleged involvement with illegal gaming operations, potential violations regarding her citizenship status, which could lead to severe legal repercussions. Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla stated that all legal measures will be taken to ensure that Guo is held accountable for her actions, adding that investigations are ongoing to determine how she managed to flee the Philippines despite a lookout bulletin issued against her. Public reaction to Guo's arrest has been mixed, with many questions about the influence of foreign elements in Philippine politics. This case highlights vulnerabilities in the country's electoral system and raises concerns about national security. As this story unfolds, the implications of Alice Guo's case extend far beyond her personal legal battles, stirring discussions about integrity, governance, and national sovereignty in the Philippines. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on this developing story and other important news. Share your thoughts on Alice Guo's case in the comments below.